What's shaking in the world of AI and crypto? We've got the biggest updates dropping today, and you absolutely do not want to miss this. From revolutionary wallet tech to game-changing financial moves, this is your essential download for staying ahead. Get ready, because the future is arriving fast. Let's dive into the essential insights you need to know right now. First up, a major player in the crypto space is completely redefining what a digital wallet can be. We're talking next-level security and seamless DeFi integration, all wrapped up in a user-friendly package. Will this be the standard for all future wallets? We break down the tech that makes it possible. Then, get ready for a massive financial announcement that could shake up the stock market. A company is making a bold move towards going public, but there's a catch, and it involves a significant dip in revenue. What does this mean for investors and the broader market? Plus, we've got a quick peek at how celestial alignments might just be influencing your love life today. Seriously, it's that packed. You need to stay plugged in, so smash that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Gemini's wallet revolution. Passkeys and gas-free swaps redefine DeFi access. Gemini, the cryptocurrency exchange co-founded by Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss, has launched a new self-custody wallet that integrates decentralized finance, DeFi protocols, and Web3 capabilities. Announced on August 14, 2025, the Gemini wallet is designed to improve accessibility, security, and usability for both retail and developer users. The wallet replaces the traditional seed phrase-based custody model with a passkey-powered system, offering a streamlined onboarding experience while reducing the risk of user error. This innovative approach moves away from the often cumbersome and error-prone seed phrase management, aligning with broader industry shifts towards account abstraction and more intuitive user interfaces. The Gemini wallet supports multiple blockchain networks including Ethereum, Arbitrum, and Polygon, enabling users to manage digital assets and interact with decentralized applications, dApps, across different chains. A key feature is its integration with Biconomy's Nexus stack, a modular smart account infrastructure that allows for greater flexibility and adaptability. This framework supports functionalities such as deterministic addressing, gas fee sponsorship, and risk scanning, making the wallet more dynamic and secure. The modular design means Gemini can continuously add new features and modules without needing to redeploy the entire account structure, offering significant advantages in a rapidly evolving tech landscape. Notably, the wallet offers gas-free swaps through gas fee sponsorship, a feature that eliminates transaction costs for users, making it significantly more appealing for frequent on-chain activity and for newcomers to the crypto space. This sponsorship model is a critical step in lowering the barriers to entry for those unfamiliar with the costs associated with blockchain transactions. Additionally, the wallet includes a built-in on-chain dashboard that simplifies the process of exploring dApps and engaging with DeFi platforms, further enhancing its utility. The Gemini wallet also introduces ENS sub-registration, allowing users to claim personalized domain names such as u.gemini.eth, enhancing identity anchoring in the Web3 space. This feature provides a more human-readable and memorable way to manage digital identities and assets. The wallet's use of passkey authentication, rather than mnemonic phrases, aligns with broader industry trends toward account abstraction and modular smart account infrastructure, enhancing both security and user experience. By leveraging the Nexus stack, Gemini has built a production-ready, audited framework that supports the continuous addition of new modules without requiring full redeployment of the account structure. The launch of the Gemini wallet is part of a broader trend in the crypto industry to simplify user experiences and reduce friction in on-chain interactions. Gemini's strategy appears to focus on expanding user adoption rather than immediate financial gain, as no direct institutional funding details were disclosed at the time of launch. The emphasis on user-friendly design and advanced security features may set new standards for self-custodial wallets and influence how other platforms approach DeFi integration. Developers benefit from the wallet's modular architecture, which allows for rapid iteration and feature development. The ability to add or remove functionalities without redeploying the entire account structure is a significant advantage in a fast-evolving industry. As more users and developers adopt the Gemini wallet, it is likely to contribute to increased on-chain activity and greater engagement with DeFi platforms. The introduction of the Gemini wallet also highlights the growing convergence between traditional and decentralized finance. By offering a secure and intuitive self-custody solution with DeFi capabilities, Gemini is positioning itself as a competitive player in the evolving crypto landscape. However, the expansion into DeFi may also draw increased regulatory scrutiny, particularly within the U.S. crypto ecosystem. This groundbreaking wallet technology is truly changing the game for DeFi users. Next, we're diving into a major company's bold IPO filing, but it comes with a surprising twist. Gemini's smart wallet, DeFi, multichain, and the end of seed phrases. Gemini has launched a self-custody smart wallet that supports decentralized finance, DeFi, and multichain functionality, marking a strategic expansion of its offerings in the Web3 ecosystem. The new wallet, available to Gemini users, allows individuals to store and manage their digital assets without relying on third-party custodians, emphasizing control, security, and ease of use. The wallet integrates with Ethereum, Arbitrum, and Polygon, enabling users to interact with DeFi protocols across multiple blockchains within a single interface. This multi-chain support is a significant advantage, simplifying cross-chain operations and providing a more unified experience for users active in the DeFi space. A key innovation in the wallet is the inclusion of social recovery features, which allow users to regain access to their accounts via trusted contacts if they lose their credentials. This addresses one of the primary pain points in traditional wallet adoption: loss of access due to forgotten passwords or lost seed phrases. Additionally, the wallet supports gas-free transactions, reducing the cost barrier for on-chain interactions, and integrates with Ethereum Name Service, ENS, to simplify the onboarding experience for users unfamiliar with technical aspects of blockchain. The gas-free transactions are particularly noteworthy, as they can significantly encourage more frequent and experimental interactions with decentralized applications. Unlike conventional wallets that require users to store and memorize seed phrases, Gemini's solution removes the need for mnemonic phrases entirely. Instead, users can authenticate with biometric methods such as fingerprint or facial recognition, further streamlining the user experience. The absence of a separate app download and the ability to manage multiple chains without switching platforms also reflect Gemini's broader goal of making DeFi more accessible to mainstream users. This focus on simplifying the user journey is crucial for driving mass adoption of Web3 technologies. The wallet is designed to foster greater on-chain participation by enabling users to track yields, explore dApps, and engage with liquidity protocols such as yield vaults and atomic swaps. Gemini's co-founders, Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss, emphasize the importance of simplifying access to on-chain finance, a vision that aligns with the company's long-term strategy to drive broader adoption of crypto-based financial services. Industry observers suggest that the multi-chain and DeFi-focused approach of the wallet could enhance user engagement and expand Gemini's market presence in the decentralized finance sector. The integration with external tools such as Blockade and Wallet Connect further reinforces the wallet's focus on security and interoperability, ensuring that users have access to real-time risk assessments and secure connection standards. Notably, the wallet currently excludes native support for Bitcoin in DeFi and cross-chain interactions, a limitation that may affect its appeal to users with a significant portion of their holdings in BTC. However, the introduction of consolidated liquidity options and gas-free exchanges could help offset this by boosting the wallet's utility in Ethereum-based and stablecoin-centric financial protocols. Gemini's initiative reflects a broader industry trend toward developing user-friendly and secure self-custody solutions. The elimination of seed phrase dependency and the inclusion of social recovery represent a shift in design philosophy toward more human-centric digital asset management. These features not only aim to reduce the risk of losing access to funds, but also to make the onboarding process more intuitive for a wider audience. The move underscores a growing preference among crypto users for self-custody options, particularly as the risks associated with centralized custodial models become more apparent. By offering a self-custody solution with enhanced usability features, Gemini positions itself as a more attractive alternative for users seeking both convenience and control over their digital assets. Gemini has not disclosed specific metrics on expected adoption rates for the wallet, nor has it provided analyst forecasts regarding its potential market impact. However, the strategic design choices, such as gas-free transactions, biometric authentication, and multi-chain support, suggest a clear intent to compete with established wallet providers by emphasizing both security and ease of use. The wallet is currently available to Gemini users, with no immediate plans announced for expanding its availability beyond the platform. Nevertheless, the company's integration with external tools like Blockade and Wallet Connect indicates an openness to further collaboration and integration as the product evolves. Overall, Gemini's new self-custody wallet represents a significant step in the company's mission to simplify and democratize access to decentralized finance. By removing technical barriers and enhancing user control, the wallet could play a pivotal role in attracting a new wave of users to the on-chain ecosystem. This wallet upgrade from Gemini is a game-changer for DeFi accessibility. Stay tuned as we explore a potentially massive IPO move, but with a significant revenue downturn. Love Forecast, August 17, 2025. Romance blooms for Taurus, Gemini, Virgo, Libra, Pisces. As the celestial bodies align on August 17, 2025, specific zodiac signs are poised for a particularly romantic day. The stars suggest a favorable period for love and relationships, especially for individuals born under the signs of Taurus, Gemini, Virgo, Libra, and Pisces. This astrological forecast indicates a heightened sense of connection, emotional openness, and potential for significant romantic developments for these signs. For Taurus, the day may bring a deepening of existing bonds or the spark of a new romance. Their grounded nature combined with the day's romantic energies could lead to stable and fulfilling connections. Communication is key, and Taurians might find themselves expressing their affections more openly and receiving warmth in return. Geminis, known for their communicative and often dualistic nature, could experience a day of exciting conversations and intellectual sparks that lead to romantic opportunities. Their ability to connect on multiple levels will be amplified, making it an ideal day for engaging dates or meaningful discussions with a partner. Virgos, typically analytical and detail-oriented, may find themselves surprisingly swept up in romantic gestures or appreciating the finer, more intimate moments in their relationships. The influence of the stars could encourage them to embrace spontaneity and emotional expression, leading to a day filled with tender moments and shared appreciation. Libras, the natural diplomats and lovers of harmony, are set for a day where balance and beauty in relationships are emphasized. They might find themselves drawn to aesthetically pleasing romantic settings or engaging in activities that foster mutual understanding and affection. The day is ripe for shared experiences that strengthen their partnerships. Pisces, the dreamers and empaths of the zodiac, are likely to have a day filled with heightened intuition and emotional connection. Their deep capacity for love and understanding will be well received, potentially leading to profound romantic encounters or a deeper appreciation of their current relationships. It's a day where their sensitive nature can be a great asset in matters of the heart. While these signs are highlighted for their romantic potential, the general cosmic atmosphere suggests an openness to connection and affection for all. It's a reminder that paying attention to our relationships and expressing love can lead to more fulfilling interactions. The astrological forecast encourages individuals to be present, communicate openly, and embrace the opportunities for romance that the day may offer. Whether it's a grand gesture or a quiet moment of shared understanding, the stars seem to be aligning for love on August 17, 2025, particularly for those born under the signs of Taurus, Gemini, Virgo, Libra, and Pisces. Astrology offers a unique lens on our relationships, but what about the world of finance and tech? Next up, we're breaking down a major company's IPO plans, and the numbers might surprise you. Gemini's Nasdaq IPO bid amidst significant revenue slump. Gemini, a prominent artificial intelligence company, has officially filed for an initial public offering, IPO, on the Nasdaq, signaling a major step towards becoming a publicly traded entity. However, this ambitious move is shadowed by a significant financial challenge: a reported 150% drop in revenue, a figure that has raised eyebrows across the financial and tech sectors. This filing, made amidst a period of intense market scrutiny and evolving investor sentiment towards AI companies, presents a complex narrative of growth aspirations clashing with stark financial realities. The IPO filing details indicate that Gemini is seeking to raise capital to fuel its expansion and further develop its AI technologies. The company, known for its advanced AI models and applications, has been a notable player in the AI landscape. Yet, the reported revenue decline suggests that the company's growth trajectory has encountered substantial headwinds. While the exact reasons for this sharp decrease are not fully detailed in the public filing, potential factors could include increased competition, shifts in market demand, substantial investments in research and development that have not yet yielded significant returns, or a recalibration of its business model. Industry analysts are closely examining the filing, particularly the revenue figures, to gauge Gemini's long-term viability and the potential valuation of the company. A 150% revenue drop is a considerable red flag, and investors will be looking for a compelling story about future growth and profitability to offset this concerning metric. Gemini's strategy to address this downturn will be crucial. This might involve pivoting to new market segments, optimizing operational efficiencies, or forging strategic partnerships to bolster its financial performance. The company's decision to proceed with an IPO, despite this revenue slump, could be interpreted in several ways. It might reflect a strong underlying belief in the company's core technology and future market potential, with the IPO capital intended to drive a turnaround. Alternatively, it could be a strategic move to capitalize on current market conditions for tech IPOs before potential economic downturns or increased regulatory pressures materialize. The success of this IPO will heavily depend on Gemini's ability to articulate a convincing narrative to potential investors, highlighting its technological strengths, market opportunities, and a clear roadmap to financial recovery and sustained growth. Market reaction to the news has been mixed, with some investors expressing caution due to the revenue figures, while others remain optimistic about the company's innovative AI capabilities. The timeline for the IPO is not yet specified, but the filing indicates that Gemini is actively preparing for its public debut. The company's performance post-IPO will be closely monitored, as it navigates the challenges of public market expectations while striving to reverse its revenue decline and establish a solid foothold in the competitive AI industry. This IPO filing from Gemini presents a fascinating case study in market dynamics and corporate strategy. Now, let's wrap up with a quick rundown of all the top stories and how you can stay connected. And that's a wrap on today's essential tech and crypto updates. We saw Gemini revolutionize DeFi wallets with passkey tech and gas-free swaps, push for broader Web3 adoption with their smart wallet, and then we got a glimpse into how the stars might align for love today. Finally, Gemini is filing for its Nasdaq IPO despite a significant revenue drop. Don't miss out on any future breakthroughs. Hit that like button, subscribe to ChatGPT Insights, and ring the notification bell. Follow us on all social platforms for more real-time updates. We'll see you in the next one.